Hi guys, join me as I unbox the TECNO CAMON 20. While unboxing, the first thing you will see is the phone. The color we got is the Serenity Blue and it's so gorgeous. We got a pouch, got a head of charger, we also got a cord Type-C, we also got a earpiece, we got a warranty of 13 months, we also got a voucher from MTN. Guess what? We got a gift box. I was so excited. It's not for sale, so they gave us a power bank. This is the cord of the power bank here. Give us a power bank, I think 10,000 mAh, not sure. And we're also given a short cord. Also, we're given, I don't know what this is. If you know, please tell me in the comment section. Now back to unboxing our phone and taking it off. Look at this beauty now. Damn, this Serenity Blue is so fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.